I think we all agree on this. Aging sucks. I mean, who wants to walk like this and have pain all over their body when they're old? If only we could stop this. Aging in biological context refers to the changes in the intrinsic process of the body which leads to a decline in biological functions. And there's a culprit behind this, telomere attrition, aka telomere shortening. It is the heap of chromosomes in our cells that are repetitive nucleotide sequences called telomeres. During cell divisions, bits of these telomeres get chopped off due to the end replication problem. Yeah, the little tool that copies the DNA isn't as precise as you might think, and it can't completely replicate the very ends of your chromosome. The self-sacrifice of telomeres is what keeps the valuable DNA intact in a similar way the anglers protect the shoelaces. Otherwise, the DNA would get cut off at the end, which is not good at all. But like everything, this self-sacrifice has a limit, the Hayflick's limit. This means the DNA can only replicate a certain number of times while keeping the telomeres as the bodyguards. But when there are no bodyguards to protect them, the DNA stops replicating, which in turn stops the whole cell division process. Now this indivisible cell is called the senescent cell. While these cells are replaced completely when you're young, that is not the case when you're old. Unable to divide implies unable to repair damage. That means the 100 billion cells that you lost yesterday can't be recovered completely when you're old. And this inability leads to weaker bones, muscles, brain, and cognitive functions, and it even leads to Alzheimer's disease. Ooh, that's spooky. So, what can you do about this? The solution probably lies in the CRISPR-Cas9 system. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly in space short palindromic repeats, is a precise gene editing tool. CRISPR is a complex of a Cas9 protein and a guide RNA that can completely cut or edit any pre-existing genes. For our case, that is at the end of the chromosomes in the telomeric region. Adding telomeres can bring back the senescent cell's ability to divide, which in turn will activate our repairing system, and thereby older people won't find it difficult to repair their damage. Overcoming the limitations of old age has always been a dream, and now with CRISPR, the chances are higher than ever. Using CRISPR is a promising way to increase both our health span and lifespan, and ultimately living a healthy life even at the final stages of our life. CRISPR has emerged with more prospects than any existing technology. Ensuring a healthy life even at old age is the first step, and who knows what comes next.